Smita, what invisible efforts do you think either the parents, neither, sometimes we also face, discrimination from our colleagues, who feel that, okay, we have not done enough or more could be done. So, what do you think and feel about it when you realize that your effort, which are totally invisible or behind the scenes, are not understood by by your audience or by colleagues or people.
Yeah, got your point. Whenever these things happen, and it happens, most of the teachers they feel ki being HOD she does nothing. What's there to do at that kind of So in that case, I respect individual. Everyone have the thought of everyone's
Yeah,
perspective may be different at a time. So everyone
correct.
needs time to understand. I feel like I need to put something more with this person, and when I'm ready to put something more in that person, definitely I have to work on the relation even and the needs of the person. I need to serve in that. When we say them as clients, right, we need to understand even them. If we want the growth, it's not one way growth happens in. That is
What was the skills that you thought earlier that they were helpful, but eventually after explaining your whole situation and your scenario, you thought that these were the tools I was supposed to work on, and actually the ones that I prepared for didn't really go as well as planned.
yeah, absolutely. Sometimes it becomes the excessive research that I have done for to conduct a class, right? Or it may be the meetings that I have held in guiding the students, or sometimes it becomes quite theoretical. Becomes quite theoretical sometimes. So that theories in the class do not work out, I feel like. But when we prepare ourselves, we go with theories. But that theories have definitely worked me to, we can say, to upgrade my knowledge or my presence in that particular meeting. But being practical was more effective in the classes, more practical with the teachers. Theoretical